It just proved to me that it showed me every reason why I love this man. It reminds me every reason why I chose him as husband. Hi faves. Oh, ooh, the bass in my voice. Oh my god. Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It is bright and early Wednesday morning, and it's my early morning, so your girl is up way before 6 o'clock and trying to have something to eat to head out. And as you guys can hear, my voice sound like a rusty, tall black man. That's what I visioned when I hear my voice. When somebody tall stand over you and say, "Hello ma'am, can I help you?" That's exactly how I'm sounding this morning. But a little bass is good sometimes. Anyway, I am up. I am, for the most part, it's just my voice that is hoarse. I am not in any pain. I am not feeling any kind of way woozy. I'm just having a throat from all the coughing. It just made my throat feel extremely terrible. So the boys are sleeping and I'm about to have this breakfast so I can be well on my way. So I'm just coming out to tell you guys to have an amazing day. It doesn't really matter what it is that you're up to today. It doesn't really matter what it is that you're doing today. Let nothing and no one, and I mean no one, stop you from having an amazing day. All right, so I'm heading out to work. If it's your first time watching this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell and comment down below, because I love chatting up with every single one of our subscribers. Babe and Tyler is sleeping. Baby is going to take Tyler to the daycare and I'm going to pick him up from the daycare. So yeah, they're both sleeping right now. They'll have another 2 hours before they wake up. So that's what's up right now, and I'm going to eat this breakfast and head out real quick.
Happy Wednesday. Hey. Tiens, croissant. Qu'est-ce qu'on dit? Qu'est-ce qu'on dit, Tyler? Good boy. Happy Wednesday, guys. Yes, today's Wednesday, so I'm the one to take care of Tyler this morning. I'm gonna finish to get ready, finish to make him ready, and then we going for walk for me and daycare for him. So wish happy good day for all of you. Enjoy today's vlog, and I'll catch you guys when I come back. Oh, when babe finished to walk.
Hello, Tyler.
It's 3.
Yes, 3. Can you say hi? Look. Say hi.
Hi.
You guys, I have been home for a while. Let me take these out so I can talk to you guys a little bit. Because when I have them in, I'm echoing. I have been home for a while, and I was just saying to myself earlier how amazing it is when you... Can you turn this down a little bit so Mama can talk to the face a bit? 4. 4, yeah. 4. I love putting moisturizer in your hair. It looks so fresh and alive with your little baby curls coming back. I love your hair when it's at this level. I think that's how I'm gonna let it stay. At this length. It looks so pretty. Even though it look like there's a part here which I can't get rid of. And there's a part here which comes in by itself. But anyway, you guys, I have been home for a while. Thanks to babe, I didn't have to go to town to get Tyler. You know when... Yeah, big monster truck. when you're in a relationship with somebody and you work as a team and you know that you have to compromise and you have to do what you have to do in order to get to a goal and get the mission done. It's just so amazing. I feel so blessed in this case too. I feel so blessed in this case to have babe as my husband, because we meet each other right in the middle. It doesn't really matter what we have to do, we always meet each other halfway, and that is very important, you know, when each other can compromise and do what needs to be done. Because today it just proved to me that it showed me every reason why I love this man. It reminds me every reason why I chose him as husband. It reminds me how much our love is unconditional for each other. It's just amazing, and it's the little things that matters that makes my heart just grow fonder. It's just make my heart goes fonder. It just really is amazing when you have somebody that will go the extra mile and doesn't complain or doesn't frown, because at the end of the day they know that we're in this together. And it's just amazing, and I'm just really humbled and happy that I have such an amazing husband. With that said, I went to work. I got back home. I didn't do much talking today because the more I talk is the more I cough. I am not feeling weak. I'm not feeling any kind of ways. Just my throat and my nose. My nose is extremely stuffy, and my throat, the more I talk is the more I cough. So I'm on like 5 of these since this morning because I have to be constantly drinking water to stop the cough. But yeah, that's what's up right now. I am home with my little nugget. He's here on YouTube watching all kind of videos, navigating himself through whatever he wants to watch. And you guys know he's obsessed with the Wheels on the Bus, so he'll watch 100 version of the Wheels on the Bus. Bus. Relaxing a bit, and then I am going to tidy this entire house because it feels like a bit clustered to me, and I don't like when the house feels this tight. It's simple telling me that it needs a little bit of cleaning. Nothing deep, nothing too serious. Like wash up Tyler, wash up the dishes, put away Tyler toys, put away some of Tyler toys and stuff like that, spread the beds and dust a little bit. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do after I relax a little bit. No, kissy.
I'm back.
Cause I'm sick.
back late. Very late.
Very late and Tella is gone to
After
sleep.
8.
You guys, the craziest thing happened to me just now.
Happened.
Tyler told me that he wanted to nap. I told you when you came in. Tyler told me he wanted to nap. I didn't know that he was that tired. He fell asleep within like 2 seconds, and I even dozed off too. And I said, you know what? Let me get up and put him in his bed. But he's not trained in the night to not pee himself, so he still wears Pampers. So I said, all right, let me get up and pee and put on his Pampers and put him in his bed. But he was still sleeping. And as I took off Tyler pants and his underwear, I saw the pee go zzz. I said, Ty, he's sleeping. Peed in his sleep. That was the funniest
Pee on you.
Pee on me and pee all over his room. Oh my god.
It's like, what kind of animal do that? Like a dog or like something? Like they pee like they mark like it's their territory.
Oh well, I guess he's marking his territory.
Yeah.
You guys, I didn't really put down any big cooking today. I just cooked some quinoa because I have jerk chicken from yesterday, and babe bring me home some soup, so I had that, and that was super good. The soup was really yummy, and I'm just going to munch a little quinoa now. But we're coming on just to end the vlog, and something crazy came to mind just now that I'm going to give you guys for the Jamaican expression for today. If you hear a Jamaican says, especially in the rural part of Jamaica, as in like the countryside, like St. James, St. Elizabeth, down that way, if you hear Jamaicans say, me a go round a bush, or me a go down a bush, they're simply telling you that they're going to their farm. So they refer to their farm as bush.
Okay.
Me a go down a bush, or me a go round a bush. Me a go down a bush go cut banana. Me a go down a bush go cut yam, go dig yam. Me a go down a bush go look some kind of fruit or vegetables. They're going to say bush. So yeah, there you have it. So me a go down a bush.
Me I go down the bush.
Yes. Alright guys, so there you have the Jamaican expression for today. What's the French word or expression?
It's gonna be a word expression.
Okay.
Anan.
Anan.
An.
An.
Right. An is a donkey. So I don't know if it's the same in English, but if you treat somebody as as donkey, meaning stupid. For example, the last of the class, they should give him a donkey bonnet. They give him a donkey bonnet. And back in the times when they put the pictures, like in the 50s, 60s, like parents, and they like to put the pictures of the first of the class, like the best student, and the last student, put a shame on him.
That's
and
not cool.
When they put the last student, they put a bonnet like with the...
They really do that?
Yeah.
That is so mean.
That's what they used
bullying.
to do 50 years ago.
That's bullying. That is so mean.
They don't try to...
Oh my god. That's
so
not motivation.
If you're the last one, you have the donkey.
That's so mean.
So the next month you try not to have it.
That's.
What if it was you? What if it was you? What you will do? What will you do?
I don't want to imagine that.
You will try to work harder to get.
Of course.
To take it out.
Of course, but that's a really mean way of motivation.
That's mean. That's still motivation.
Cool. Alright, you guys. So there you have the Jamaican expression and the French word for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, if it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. That way you don't miss a video. And just in case you miss the video, go to our channel every single day, Mondays to Fridays. There's a new vlog up. Alright, we love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below so we can chit chat, catch up and keep up. Yes, Stella is off the bed, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.